Hey there, Dark Blue community. Today I am in my kitchen and I wanted to show you an updated video on my favorite oatmeal recipe because I did one a long time ago and I feel like it doesn't exactly apply to me now. I personally use like the same type of recipe every time I make oatmeal, and I do change out some of the ingredients in it, but essentially it's the same like master recipe that I use time after time. I'll just jump into it and show you a little bit about how I make oatmeal. And it's not just plain oatmeal, it's not just oatmeal that will last 1 hour and then you're starving again. This oatmeal is going to keep you full for about 4 hours or until lunchtime. I am a little bit messy haired right now, so I apologize for not looking all put together, but it's the morning time. I'm still waking up. I'm working from home, so I figured I'd just jump in and share with you what my breakfast recipe looks like. So let's get to it. Oh, and for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Katie. Thank you for joining me today. I'm a dietitian, I'm a personal trainer, and I'm here to help you build your confidence, balance, and intuition with food and fitness. So I really want you to learn how to have a peaceful, healthy relationship with food so you're not depriving yourself of the foods that you love. But let's just jump straight into the video so we can talk about some breakfast ideas for you in the future. So I just have a few ingredients that you're gonna need today, and it's super simple. So first I start with 1/3 cup of old-fashioned oats. Not the quick oats, not the steel cut oats. I prefer old-fashioned. It has a little bit of a texture and it's still pretty quick cooking in the microwave or the stovetop, but it gives you the texture that you're looking for, and it actually takes a little bit longer to digest because it's not already kind of like pre-ground. So if you get quick cook oats, I can't say that. If you get quick cooking oats, you'll notice that they take half the time to digest. They really are quick cooking and quick digesting. So you're gonna feel hungry pretty fast afterwards, and you don't want that. You don't want to have a grumbling tummy in your meeting at 10 a.m. You want to have a full stomach until lunchtime. So I start with 3/4 of a cup of oatmeal, and then I have a 1/2 scoop of vanilla protein powder, or you can use any type of protein powder you want. I do the Tone It Up protein personally, but you can also use whatever you have laying around at home. It really doesn't matter. I will link to the Tone It Up protein below in case you want to check that out. I also tend to use a teaspoon of chia seeds. This is optional, but it gives it a little more texture and it also gives it a little more protein and fiber. Then I like to use a tablespoon of nut butter. So typically I use peanut butter because it's more affordable and I love peanut butter. I mean, who doesn't love peanut butter? You can also use almond butter or cashew butter or any of the other butters they have out there now. This adds fat and protein to your oatmeal, so it helps it last longer. So fat gets a bad rap, but fat is actually really good for you. It's good for your hormones and it's good for satiety. We want to be fuller for longer, so we're living a healthy lifestyle. So that's a key component to my oatmeal. I always recommend that for my clients because my cats are attacking each other. I always recommend that for my clients because it's kind of a longer lasting staying power. And then finally a 1/2 cup of either frozen or fresh fruit. Now if you use frozen fruit, if you're gonna mix it with the oatmeal, do so before you do the cooking, just so it can kind of, you know, unfreeze itself and so you can actually enjoy it and it's not like literal frozen fruit in your oatmeal. But if you have fresh fruit, you can just add it at the end and have a little bit of added texture to it. I find that this combination is really good, and the thing with it is that you can substitute a different flavor of protein powder, you can substitute what nut butter you're using, and you can also substitute what fruit you're using. So it's an infinite amount of recipes in just one single recipe idea. So I want to know in the comment section below, what's your favorite oatmeal recipe and what do you like to add to your oatmeal? Do you use any protein powder? Have you ever tried protein powder? I think one thing that I would just say with adding protein powder is A, it can add so much flavor to your oatmeal, but B, don't add too much. So if you add too much protein powder, oatmeal can be absolutely gross, disgusting, and it can really ruin a bowl of oatmeal. But if you use a 1/2 scoop, I just find that it's so much tastier and it adds a little bit of flavor without overdoing it and without having like a powdery mess. Serious talking to me, I guess. So a 1/2 scoop is the perfect amount that I've found, and my scoop is like, you know, it's probably equivalent of 2 tablespoons. So if you don't have like the same scoop as I do, 2 tablespoons of protein powder is like the perfect amount. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join me in the dark blue community, and I'd also love to hear what videos you want to see in the future. I'm here to support you and help you on your intuitive eating journey, so I will go ahead and see you in the next video, and make sure to check out any links below because there's links to work with me, there's links to new videos. All that value is going to be down below. Have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.